All right, market's just about to close, so let's have a quick look, see what we got here. S&P on the daily, we made a higher high today, and the bar made a higher low, so we're still in that uptrend, but obviously that's a negative bar and a reversal bar. Seems like a bit of a divergence, too, on the momentum, so I wouldn't be surprised if we trade down tomorrow, probably into, I guess that would be Friday's bar. And I'm saying there's a support of about 43.50 that we'll probably hit. We're looking at the daily, and the daily has a clear divergence on it. The 60-minute, I'm sorry, has a clear divergence on it. So I'll look for more of a consolidation tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be too aggressive a sell-off. The bad news is out. We're just waiting on some financial news. I'm not going to bother with CLOV, but let's look at bonds. I think bonds are important. So again, we're looking at a divergence on the 60-minute. No, wait, that's not correct. It hasn't rolled over yet. Actually, the momentum looks kind of neutral, although that was a quite a push down in the last 2 hours of trading, setting up a bear flag on the 60-minute, and the daily is in a bit of an uptrend. Uptrend hasn't changed, so I'm going to have to be bullish and with a bullish to neutral on this until I see a change in the trend. Look at the Qs. QQQ. That's a shooting star on the daily, and you have a divergence on the 30-minute, so I would look for that to trade off tomorrow. I'd be bearish on that. I'll be watching that shooting star for a move. 60 minutes taking its time. So you can see it clearly there. You can see the divergence right there on the momentum. Good entry would be taking that right there. 60-minute is neutral, so just watch for that break of that low tomorrow. Probably gap down. I don't know if you'll have an opportunity to take that break. Tilray, another meme stock. Yeah, it's just negative. The momentum's negative, nothing turning around there. No reason to take a position in that yet. Purple. I would just wait for it to break that high right there, that pivot high. That's where my entry would be, but nothing going on right there. Not going to bother with CLOV anymore. AMC. Made a new low. I think it's going to see a little bit of congestion around that 37 area, but it looks like it's heading for that gap on the daily. I wouldn't doubt it. The hourly couldn't get much steam. You could argue that that's a double bottom on the daily right there. Broke it a little bit. Momentum is still negative. Could be putting in a higher low on the 60-minute momentum. That might turn it around, but I'm not too encouraged. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any position to take there. I've been seeing a lot of information, too, about people going long calls, not buying the stock. That's kind of counterintuitive. I mean, it's the buying power in the stock that is going to move this thing and squeeze the shorts out. So just use your stops. If you made money, take some off the table. Hopefully everybody took their profits and just waiting for this thing to turn around a little bit. I mean, I wouldn't really enter it until it broke that 64, 61 area. That's where I would look to take my entry. I mean, I think this is just going to be more consolidation, even if it does start to move up before it turns around. Well, that's about it. Today was a pretty good day to trade this morning. I caught a couple of moves. Got hurt a little bit on Tesla, but net made a few bucks, pocket change today. Hopefully everybody else did well in the market. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I'm up and running. Hit the like because it really helps me out. And join me tomorrow from 9 o'clock until 12 o'clock. And we could have a chat. You could see what I'm doing in the trading and learn some real good trading practices. So it's about 4:15. So the trading day should be done. I appreciate everybody stopping by. Good luck trading.